Hi, it's Monty from Preserver AI. And as you can see, I'm on the Preserver AI website and I've drilled down into chatbots, which is one of the other services that we offer people. And I'll shrink down here and you can see that chatbots are a great way to handle customer service 24/7, answering questions, taking reservations, taking appointment setting. It's all there. It's a very, very powerful tool. It's replacing FAQs and blog posts and a lot of other things, which do in fact become part of your knowledge base. But now I'm going to just transfer to another screen, and I'm going to be sharing what happens when I used ChatGPT 4.0, and I said outline the steps for an AI chatbot. You do determine your use cases, whether it's customer service, sales support, or general inquiry. You work on your flow structure. You pick your development platform. We tend to use Vapi or Air AI. You implement NLP characteristics, natural language programming, so that the chatbot is analyzing the speech or the text and coming back with a meaningful reply. You then test it and you deploy the chatbot. Chatbots can be embedded in your social media and on your website. And then it's an iterative process where you actually can go in and look at the queries that were asked and the answers the chatbot had replied with, so that you can refine your knowledge base and make sure you're providing the best customer service possible. So that's how chatbots work. We're going to find most of the tech companies and now financial institutions are all using AI chatbots as a labor-saving device and improve customer service. So that's just a great tool, and we hope you find that valuable.